Introducing Glyco Guardian, the innovative diabetes management game. Discover a groundbreaking and interactive approach to diabetes education with Glyco Guardian, the first of its kind narrative-driven simulation game that makes learning about diabetes management intuitive, engaging, and rewarding. Why Glyco Guardian? Managing diabetes effectively requires understanding and daily commitment. Glyco Guardian offers a captivating gamified experience that transforms diabetes education into an enjoyable journey. Core gameplay features. 1. Narrative-driven gameplay. Guide your character through realistic scenarios, making daily decisions about food, physical activity, insulin, and handling unexpected events. 2. Choice and consequence. Dynamics. See immediate, clear feedback on how your choices influence blood sugar levels, enhancing your understanding through hands-on experience. 3. Clean, user-friendly interface. Enjoy a minimalist and visually appealing UI that keeps you focused and engaged. 4. Gamified learning experience. Accumulate points for maintaining optimal blood sugar ranges, unlock helpful tips, and achieve milestones that reinforce learning and encourage consistent engagement. 5. Responsive design. Glyco Guardian seamlessly adapts to various devices, ensuring you can enjoy playing anytime, anywhere, on any screen size. Educational benefits. 1. Food choices and blood sugar. Understand the impact different carbohydrates and food choices have on blood sugar. 2. Physical activity awareness. Discover how exercise affects glucose management. 3. Basic insulin education. Gain simplified insights into insulin function, helping demystify diabetes management. 4. Symptom recognition. Learn to recognize early signs of high and low blood sugar. 5. Monitoring importance. Reinforce the significance of regular glucose monitoring to effectively manage diabetes. Who should play Glyco Guardian? 1. Individuals newly diagnosed with diabetes looking for a practical introduction. 2. Families and friends seeking better understanding to support loved ones. 3. Healthcare professionals recommending interactive educational resources. 4. Schools and organizations aiming to foster diabetes awareness and education. Disclaimer. While Glyco Guardian provides valuable educational insights into diabetes management, it is simplified for learning purposes. Diabetes management in reality involves complex, individualized factors that require professional medical guidance. Glyco Guardian is designed strictly for educational purposes and should not replace professional medical advice or treatment from healthcare providers. Start your journey today. Experience a new dimension of diabetes education, informative, interactive, and inspiring. Play Glyco Guardian and empower yourself with knowledge through gaming. Glyco Guardian, where learning meets engagement.